In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Hostinger domain to your Squarespace website. If you're ready to make your website accessible with your very own unique domain, then stick around because I'll guide you through this process step by step. First things first, let's log into your Hostinger account. As you navigate the Hostinger website, look for the Login button usually located at the top right of the page. Click on that and you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. If you haven't created an account yet, you'll need to sign up before proceeding. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself at the Hostinger dashboard. Here is where all the magic happens, and from here, you can manage your domains. The next step is crucial as it involves configuring your domain's DNS settings. To do that, look for the DNS zone editor. This is often located in the domain management section of your dashboard. Once you've found it, click on it to open the DNS settings for your specific domain. Now you're going to add the required DNS records for Squarespace. But before you add anything, you'll want to have Squarespace's support page open in another tab. Here you can find the specific DNS records you need to input. Most commonly, this will include an A record and a CNAME record. The A record typically points to Squarespace's IP address, directing traffic from your domain to the server where your site is hosted. Meanwhile, the CNAME record connects your domain with your Squarespace hostname. Carefully enter these details in the respective fields in your DNS zone editor, ensuring each character is correct since even a small typo can cause connectivity issues. Once you've added the DNS records on Hostinger, you're halfway there. The process continues over on your Squarespace account. So open your Squarespace dashboard and head to the Settings area. Under Settings, locate the Domains section. Click on Domains and select Use a Domain I Own. Squarespace will then guide you through the rest of the steps to connect your newly configured domain. Be sure to follow each on-screen instruction carefully, confirming each detail you've input matches what is required. Keep in mind that DNS changes might take some time to propagate across the internet. This can sometimes take anywhere from a few minutes to 48 hours, although it's usually on the quicker side. In the meantime, check back periodically to see if your domain is successfully pointing to your Squarespace site. And there you have it. With your domain now connected, you're all set to start showcasing your site to the world with your own personalized web address. If you have any lingering questions or run into issues, don't hesitate to reach out to the support teams at Hostinger or Squarespace for more personalized assistance. Thanks for watching.